Good evening, every one of you. You are welcome back to Believe Africa Kitchen. I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my returning subscribers. And if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. If you love what you see, so please help my channel to grow, and God will bless you. So in today's video, I'm going to be making dog roll. This is my hot dog. Here I've gotten my flour. This flour, I'm not going to be adding any yeast because there is yeast already. This is already made. It has been processed with yeast, so it doesn't need yeast. And I've shifted the flour already. Look at it, it's inside the bowl. I've added sugar, salt, just a pinch. I add 2 tablespoons. So the next item, I've added salt already, just a pinch of salt. Then I add 2 of this. So let's turn together. So for the hot dog, I'm going to be boiling the hot dog just for 2 seconds or 2 minutes. Let's say 2 minutes. So let's begin by the mixture. So the next item now, let's add our egg. Then let's turn together. Continue turning. I've washed my hand already. You know, hygiene is very, very important. Continue turning because very soon I'll be using my hand as well. So continue turning the flour, mix it. So in this level, let's add our milk. Let's add our milk. And continue turning. So in this level, let's also add our then at the same time, let's add our flavor. This is strawberry flavor. You see the color already? Wow, see the aroma. The flavor is very nice. Then we continue to turn. So continue to turn. Have you seen? Guys, look at the color. So the next item, now let me boil the hot dog. So I want to boil the hot dog. Can you see it? Like 2 minutes. Let's go to the kitchen. So the hot dog is on the fire. Let's boil the hot dog. So while the dog is boiling, the hot dog, look at the roll. Can you see the color? So this is the pan that I'll be using, the pot that I'll be using for the frying. Stay tuned as we do this together. Don't go anywhere. So in case maybe you are wondering which kind of flour I use, this is the flour I used. So this kind of flour, you don't need to add your yeast because they have added yeast already. You just to add maybe the oil, the butter. If you are the type that like butter, just the way I process it, you don't need to add yeast. Can you see the dough? Just this way. You see the caustic. Can you see it? The thickness. So that one is ready. So the dog is ready. So let's remove the dog. So the dog is ready, you see. Just 2 minutes, I've boiled it, it's ready. So in this level, can you see how it is? So the next thing we are doing now is to add some flour here. We add some flour, then we cut you just add some flour, then you put your dog in the middle. That's it. Continue rolling. Put your dog in the middle. Then you seal it off. I've rolled. Continue rolling. So this is the hot dog, just do it this way. Let's see. That's how I roll all of them. So the next item now is to put the pot in the fire. So let us fry. We allow the oil to heat. So guys, this is the roll. Can you see it? So the oil is on the fire. It will heat like 2 minutes, let's say 1 minute. Then we'll begin frying. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. The oil is hot, so let's begin by frying. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's frying. It's frying. Look at it. The dog roll is ready. Can you see it? See? So I'm repeating the second part. The other part. So the other part now is frying. Don't go anywhere. Africa food, oh, you too they sweet. Africa food, oh, dey sweet. This is dog roll. Dog roll. Don't go anywhere. I love you, my viewers. The other part is ready. Wow, how beautiful it is. Guys, can you see it? Wow, dog roll. So this one is without the hot dog. So let me fry this one as well. Then you can choose the one you like. The strawberry flavor. Wow, 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 wow. You know, I added the strawberry flavor. That one is another flavor. Wow. It makes the egg roll, the dog roll, to be very flavor and eatable. You feel like eating it. You just want to consume everything at a time. So I've added the one without the hot dog now. So choice is yours. So let's see the outcome. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hello guys. Can you see the outcome of the dog roll? This is the dog roll. Look at it. Let's open it. See. Voila. You see? Can you see the inside of it? Let me show you another one. This is the dog roll. I just want to show you. I want to remove the roll. See it? So lovely, delicious, and look at it, very soft. And this is the one without the hot dog. Look at it. See, very soft, very, very soft. See, see. Wow. You will be feeling the the aroma, the sweetness, as if you are eating strawberry, but you're not eating strawberry. As if you are eating egg roll, but you are not. You are eating, oh wow, very delicious. So come on, join me, guys. I appreciate your support, your help, your subscription, your views, everything that you are doing for me. May God richly bless you. So do stay safe. Jesus loves you. Don't forget. Until I see you again in my next video. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye. Africa food, oh, you too dey sweet. Africa food, oh, you too dey sweet. Wow, 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 wow. This is lovely. Can you see it? What can I say?